It's just pretty good. I like the mouse.
I don't like the looks of these though.
No friends out there.
Oh my god, what kind of spot was that?
Ah!
Oh my god.
What? It wouldn't shoot.
Why would you shoot?
Oh, wrong gun.
Ooh, nice shot.
Okay.
Oh, both of y'all are high.
Damn. He got all three of us.
No, I got one of y'all.
Double kill.
Ah! I'm reloading. No. Yeah, the one that came with this one was complete booty.
Hit
You just spawn right there?
No, I ran halfway across the map.
Oh,
Ah, damn
yeah,
it.
I see that high
got-
spot.
Yeah, that was Diesel was in that motherfucker the earlier.
No.
What?
Ah! Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, with the mouse, I mean, my fucking accuracy is a whole lot different. It's a lot easier to control. Like, I'm still missing, that's just because I'm still getting used to it, but like...
These hit markers? Quiz mark? Oh, really?
I legit have no ammo. I had to throw out an ammo box to be able to get it.
Ah!
I don't have scavenger on this class.
Oh yeah, that's one thing I didn't put mine on either.
I thought I set it up
smoke!
on my sniper class, but yeah, no, it was not.
Really?
I was reloading.
I knew I knew it! Yeah, aiming with your mouse is elite, bro. Definitely can agree to that. I'm not gonna do it if I can.
What?
Ah!
Mind you, motherfucker.
That's was like, that's not smoke. Where did smoke go?
I was reloading. He swung by and fucking saved my ass. Oh, come on. I beat him off.
Where was my plate?
Gun.
Oh, you turn around and just smacked me, bro. God dang.
I said clap, clap.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Ah, appreciate the high five to the face. Thank you. Appreciate it. Look, went whoosh.
Nice shot.
Appreciate it.
Smoke just in the corner. Oh, wait.
Oh, damn it. Oh, I got sandwiched.
Did you enjoy it?
It was not.
You run on the wall. Fuck. Hardcore ass.
I'd like to call bullshit on that one.
100%. I'm almost dead, though, if that makes you feel any better. My health is like super low.
Intel, fresh arrived.
What?
Damn. I'm liking these double pistols. Ah, damn.
Good night, baby. Good night. Night, night.
Up.
Ah.
Oh, was that Justin? My
Yeah.
bad.
It's all good.
Ah, I jumped straight into the corner.
Oh, that's just.
You're good.
Oh, jumping ass.
Mm-hmm. Call me Kangaroo Jack. Ah,
you
damn it! I was about to get Diesel. You can call me Deadaroo Jack. Behind you, Diesel.
Now I got it set up
Oh
properly.
my god!
I got caught on something.
You bitch, I saw you, but I didn't think I saw you.
Sneaky sneak like, oh god, run, bitch!
Oh. What the like?
What pistol are you using?
Intel's ready for you.
Me?
No, smoke.
Oh, me.
No, he's probably using the rat or the 1911.
The rat.
Hit marker, motherfucker.
I was wondering why it wasn't moving.
Put your dick in my mouth and I shot it off.
It just had to be like that. Sorry.
I said,
Oh, good shots.
All 300.
Oh my god, shoot,
not
pimpin'!
using a 6-shooter.
Ah.
Got him.
Oh, I ran out of ammo. And I have fucking, the other one.
Thank
Which one? Scavenger.
What the fuck? He disappeared.
Sneaky, sneaky.
I'm already getting shot. I just.
What the fuck? I hit
I'm not
you.
even gonna tell Smoke nice shot.
Intel ready for report.
Nope, down. Get down. Off my chair. Thank you.
Oh my god, fuck.
Stop
Ah,
fucking about. Get
I was
back in
gonna
the
try and do a assassination.
I didn't like them Kimbo.
We died at the same time, and it was just a gunfight to whoever got out of the spawn first.
Oh, scratching my face.
I'm almost dead too. Motherfucker! God damn it, Diesel. He's the only one I can't find, but he seems to find me.
I just spawned as well.
Oh, I see you. I see you.
What? I guess my melee takes forever. Yeah, reload later.
God damn! You had to kill me.
Can't reload later when I only have 6
Rest
shots
up.
per gun. But...
Well, you have 12 shots in total, right?
6 shots per gun.
Oh, whoa! Sorry. I'm sorry. Whoa, sorry.
God, listen,
Sorry.
motherfucker.
Sorry. I want to speak to the manager
Yeah. What?
right now.